script. In this video, I'll show you how to use Airtable in N8N. Start by signing into your N8N account and open an existing workflow or click Create Workflow to create a new one. Next, click the plus button to add a node and search for Airtable. Select the Airtable node to add it to your workflow. After that, create or select your Airtable credentials by connecting your personal access token. Now choose the base and table you want to work with. Next, select the operation you want the Airtable node to perform. You can choose actions such as create, get many, update, or delete, depending on your workflow. After that, configure the required fields for the selected operation. For example, if you're creating a record, map the fields from the previous node to the corresponding Airtable columns. Now connect the Airtable node to a trigger or another app, such as a manual trigger, webhook, Google Sheets, or Gmail. Next, click Execute Workflow to test your automation and verify that the Airtable node performs the expected action. Finally, once everything is working correctly, click Activate to enable the workflow and let N8N run it automatically whenever it's triggered. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Airtable in N8N. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.